Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Robinhood on desktop. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your computer is connected to a secure internet network, not a public Wi-Fi. Open a trusted web browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Click the address bar at the top of the browser window. Type Robinhood.com exactly as written and press enter. Confirm you are on the official site by checking the URL shows Robinhood.com. Look for the login button on the top right area of the homepage. Click Login to open the sign-in page. Choose the login option that matches your account, such as email, phone number, or username if offered. Click inside the first field and enter your email address or phone number carefully. Move to the password field and type your Robinhood password exactly, including uppercase and symbols. If you are on a shared computer, do not check any Remember Me or similar option. Double-check your entries for typos before continuing. Click the Login or Sign In button to submit your information. If Robinhood asks for verification, select the method you prefer, such as SMS, email, or an authenticator app. Open the verification message you receive and copy the code exactly. Return to the Robinhood page and paste or type the verification code into the prompt. Click Verify or continue to complete the two-factor authentication step. If you see a device trust option, only choose it on your personal computer. Wait for your account dashboard to load after successful authentication. If you get an incorrect password message, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. When resetting, use a strong new password that you do not reuse on other websites. After logging in, review that your name and account details look correct at the top or in settings. Avoid clicking suspicious pop-ups and never share your login code with anyone. If the page does not load, refresh once and check your internet connection. If the site still fails, try opening Robinhood.com in a private or incognito browser window. You can also clear the browser cache and cookies for Robinhood.com and try again. For extra security, go to Settings and confirm two-factor authentication is enabled. When you finish, click Account or your profile icon and choose Logout to protect your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.